Hello everyone, I am Deepika, an electrical engineer and an alumnus of IIM Nagpur, batch 2325. Having successfully navigated the CAT journey myself, I understand the common myths and fears that often hold students back. In today's video, I'll be debunking some of the biggest CAT preparation myths and revealing the reality behind them. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Myth number 1. You need to study for 10 to 12 hours a day to crack CAT. People think CAT preparation is equal to sacrifice every second of your life, cut off from the world and study for 10 to 12 hours daily. The reality is you don't need to study all day. What matters is consistency and quality over quantity. Even 2 to 3 hours of focused study every day for 6 to 8 months are enough if you have a smart strategy. Many 99 plus percentilers were working professionals or college students who couldn't afford long hours. They focused on their strengths, built accuracy, and practiced mocks strategically. The pro tip here is focus on your weak areas and analyze mocks instead of mindless practice. Myth number 2. Only engineers crack CAT. CAT is a math heavy exam, so only engineers can do well in it. But the reality is, CAT is an aptitude test. Quant is just one section. VARC, that is verbal ability and reading comprehension, and DALR, that is logics, have nothing to do with engineering. IIMs have increased weightage for diversity. Every year, non-engineers, including commerce, arts and science, students there get 99 plus percentiles and calls from IIM ABC. The strategy for non-engineers are start quant early, focus on conceptual clarity. Non-engineers usually have natural edge over VARC. You need to use it. Myth number 3, that is coaching is mandatory to crack CAT. You can't crack CAT without joining a top coaching institute. Coaching can help with the structure and peer competition, but it's not mandatory. Many toppers are self-taught using online platforms, YouTube, free mocks, and Telegram groups. You can use books like Arun Sharma, NCRT, mock platforms like Kraku, Time, IMS, and Career Launcher, and YouTube channels like Roda, 2IM, and Takshashila. What matters is your dedication, feedback loop, that is mock analysis, and smart tracking. Myth number 4. You need to attempt all the questions to get 99 percentile. More attempts is equal to high score. People panic trying to finish all 66 questions. The reality is accuracy matters more than the number of questions that you attempt. Even 40 to 50 attempts, you can get 99 percentile if the accuracy is 85% or more. In CAT 2023, many students just attempted 45 questions, got 99 percentile plus. It's not a speed test, it is a decision making that is used in the test. The pro tip here is skip tough questions early. Don't get emotionally attached to any set or any questions individually. Myth number 5. You must be strong in all the 3 sections. You need to ace QA, DALR and VARC all equally well. The reality is you just need to clear the sectional cutoffs in the weaker sections and maximize your scores in the strong areas. The strategy here is identify your core and strong section. Like for example, if it is VARC, then aim for 99 percentile plus in VARC. And if it is QA is your weak area, then target only 85 to 90 percentile in QA section, and the other sections you try to score well. Practice basic arithmetic and geometry really well if your QA is strong. Okay. Myth number 6. Mock should be taken after syllabus completion. Many students delay mock tests thinking they'll start after finishing the full syllabus. Trust me, it's my personal experience. For exams like CAT, you can never finish the syllabus. The reality is, mocks is not the final exam, they are just the learning tools. Start taking mocks by the month 2 only, even when your syllabus is completed partially. Why is that necessary? You learn the test taking strategies. You identify the patterns in your errors. You will build stamina and exam temperament. The tip here is to take mock every 10 days initially, then one every week from August to October, and 2 per week after that. Myth number 7. You need to get 99 plus percentile to get into top B school. People believe if you don't score 99 plus percentile, you have failed. Many top B schools have profiles based shortlist. You can get into colleges like SPJ, MDI, IIFT, IMTs, and even IIMs at the score of 94 to 96 percentile with this strong profile. Also, the work experience, academics, and diversities are also valued. B schools also shortlist at lower percentiles for reserve categories. Number 8. CAT is the toughest exam in India. They say only geniuses can crack it. The reality is, CAT is competitive, not difficult. The syllabus is 10th grade level only. The challenge is solving the questions under the pressure with time management. What makes CAT tough? Relative grading plus pressure. But with consistent preparation, any average student can get into IIMs. Don't fear the exam, fear not preparing smartly. So that's it about the myths about the CAT exam. The CAT exam is not about being the smartest, it's about being the most strategic. Don't fail for the myths that demotivates you. Instead, focus on your strengths, mock test analysis, smart planning, and consistent effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are in the CAT journey. Drop a comment with your biggest myth or fear. I'll personally reply and help you out. Thank you.